My dear students, welcome to today's lecture, and I hope that you are all well. I am doing chapter number 7, Introduction to Trigonometry for class 10 science group, and I'm doing exercise 7.4 for you. But before that, I will discuss some topics with you. Trigonometric identities. Right? Right? Trigonometric identities. Okay. So first of all, I make a triangle for you, right? This is right angle triangle, right? It is not to the scale, right? Let this ABC is a triangle, okay? ABC is a triangle. I suppose this angle is alpha. This side is A, this side is B, this side is C, and this angle is 90-degree angle. So it means it is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, we know that that hypotenuse square equals to base square plus altitude square or perpendicular square, right? So here hypotenuse is C, so it is C square equals to B square plus A square or A square plus B square, right? So divide both sides by C square plus 2. So what would happen? So on the left hand side, we have C square over C square. And on the right hand side, we have B square over C square plus A square over B square. Right? So on the right hand side, we have B over C, the square, plus A over C, this is C, the whole square equals to 1. And we know that B over C equals to cosine theta and A over C equals to sine theta. So it means that B over C, the square is cosine square theta plus A over C square is sine square theta, which is equals to 1. And just name it 1 as, this is our first identity. It's sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Identity is an equation which is true for every value of x or every value of theta. Right? And we are assuming that this angle alpha is in the first quadrant, okay? And it is less than 90 degrees, okay? Sure, it is less than 90 degrees. Number 2, for number 2, we again have C square equals to A square plus B square, or B square plus A square, one the same thing. Now divide both side by a square. So we have on the left hand side c square over a square equals to a square over a square plus b square over a square. Right, so this will become c over a, the whole square equals to 1 plus b over a, the whole square. Right. So now we have a over c is equal to sine. So c over a equals to cosecant theta. Similarly, a over b equals to tangent theta, and b over a equals to cotangent theta. Now substituting the values, we have c over a is cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cotangent square theta. This is our second identity. And I told you that the identities are the statements which are true for every value of x or theta, whichever. Right, now for the third one. Again, we have c square equals to a square plus b square. Now divide by b square. So divide both sides by b square. Right, so the left hand side is c square over b square equals to a square over b square plus b square over b square. Right, so again now b over c equals to cosine theta, so c over b equals to secant theta, and a over b equals to tangent theta. Okay, so the left hand side is c over b, the whole square equals to a over b, the whole square plus 1. So c over b is secant theta, so secant square theta plus equals to a over b is tangent. So tangent square theta plus 1. So this is our third identity, which is true for every value of theta. If you put it just so the right hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Right, now one more identity, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. It is sine theta divided by cosine theta. Right, we know sine theta equals to a over c, and cosine theta equals to b over c. So sine theta over cosine theta will be a over c divided by b over c equals to a over c multiplied by c over b. C got cancelled with c, which is equals to a over b, and which is equals to tangent theta. So we know that, or we come to know that tangent theta equals to sine theta divided by cosine theta. right? Or any value of this, okay? Now let's do it. Okay, example number 1, okay? Or maybe the question 1, cotangent theta into cosecant theta equals to, no, that is secant theta, okay? Secant theta equals to cosecant theta, okay? Okay, we know the values, okay? Cotangent theta, I will write it for you. Cotangent theta equals to this b over a, and cosecant theta is equals to c over a, right? I will use these values. So cotangent theta equals to b over a, or multiply by secant theta equals to secant theta equals c over a, right? So these two got cancelled. So it equals to c over a, which is equals to cosecant theta, okay? Or we may do it on the other way, as another way, or there is another style to do this question also. So cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta divided by sine theta, and secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. So the left hand side will be cotangent theta into secant theta, which is equals to cosine theta divided by sine theta multiplied by 1 over cosine theta, equals to 1 over sine theta, and which is equal to cosecant theta, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side, which proves the identity. Okay, so it is verified or it is proved. So results are verified. Okay, I hope you understand it well. So this finishes today's lecture. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and tell the others as well. Put it on your WhatsApp or other groups. Right? Please like and share my videos. And please comment the videos as well. Thank you very much for using my channel, for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much for spreading it. Thank you very much for watching it. Thank you very much. Allah Aapka Hamiya Nasir ho.